Hey guys, one of my favorite places to roll is across the chest. And the reason is we spend so much time in internal rotation throughout the day, texting, typing, driving, everything is in front of us. And we tend to let the shoulders roll in, and that literally tightens the muscles. It impacts our posture and our neck health, puts a lot of strain on the cervical spine. So rolling your chest can be hugely beneficial for multiple things. Also including shoulder mobility. So what you want for this, you can do this against any wall, but you have to create some space between you and the wall. So a yoga block works great for this. Take one ball and place it, find your collarbone, go just underneath the collarbone, and the great thing about the block is it's customizable in height. So I like to stagger my feet here so I get a little leverage. Put the ball up against the block and push into the block. So depending on how tight you are, which you might not know until you get there, you can determine. If you're standing upright, you're not going to get a lot of leverage. So I like to really stagger my feet and push, and then you can kind of wind up the ball to tighten it. And then start mobilizing your arm like you would in life. So that's different for everybody. You can do kind of this snow angel position. You can do kind of like the back stroke. You can do, I call it the forward stroke or the doggy paddle because you can't go all the way, the wall's in front of you. But just move your arms in a way, whether it's that motion of like putting on your jacket. Create that, recreate the movement to rehydrate those tissues and break up any adhesions in around your chest. Maybe 2 minutes on that side and then switch to the other side and do the same thing.